What's up guys, what's going on Boske's FX family? I hope you guys are all doing good and welcome back to Boske's FX Forex group. We really appreciate it guys to have you back once again to our YouTube channel, and we'd like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you will not miss out our next concept when we upload our next video. So guys, in today's video we are going to share with you a day trading strategy which I normally use on my daily basis while I'm looking for interest. So we're gonna show you some of the steps which I do before taking any trade, and also some of the keys and rules which I use. So you just have to follow this video until to the end. And also, to those who are new here, we talk about smart money concept, ICT concept, and order block strategies. If you are looking forward to learn about those concepts, you are most welcome to join the team. So guys, the first thing which you like to do while we are on chart, right, we have to go to our daily time frame and understand where the price is coming from and where the price is going ahead next. So as you can see in this scenario, we had this swing high here, and we also had this swing low here, as you can see, and the price have taken out this swing low, creating a new swing low. All right, and the other thing which you have to do is to understand our market structure breaker. So as you can see guys, we have what we call a first higher low being taken out. This was the one which told us that the price is now going down, and you can see guys, we do not have any opposite candlestick, but we have this week here, right here, because there was an order block here whereby the price reacted to it, and then the price failed to continue going up, then they started to go down, and they have taken out the first higher low, creating a new lower low, meaning this order block or a base area here, it's a failed order block, which will be also a fake order block, right? Why? Because some of the traders will look for shorts around this zone area, so the price will come and react to it before they go up. So as you can see guys, they even come and reacted to it. Some they were looking for short, and then the price suddenly started to go up, and you can see this is a rally, base rally, meaning now this zone was being taken out as well guys. This zone was being taken out, and you can see price coming back to the hidden base area right there, and they finally mitigate it, and now the price started going down. So the other thing which you like to see is to see if price will take out this zone area right there. As you can see, they did, and also guys, the price have reacted to this zone area here, which was our lower high, and you can see we had that weak candlestick, meaning there was a base area. That's why the price reacted and goes up. So we're gonna show you some of the trades which we took using the same strategy. So now we are breaking it to smaller time frame, like H4 time frame, right? As you can see in our H4 time frame now, the next thing which you like to see is to see those first higher lows being taken out while the price is going back down there. So as you can see guys, we had this first higher low right there being taken out, as you can see, and this hidden base was created after the break of structure, meaning we do not look for trades at this zone area. That's why the price went up, and you can see this candlestick have an imbalance price, so the price came and filling the orders around that zone. Why, you can even see if you are marking for imbalance, you have to mark this last week here at your left side, and then you have to mark this last week here at your right side. So this will be a fair value gap which will be filled right there, as you can see. That's why the price went down. So now let's go to 15 minutes and show you how we going to take entries around this zone, and show you some of the trades which we took using the same strategy. So now, as we break it down to 15 minutes, you can now see we are in 15 minutes, right? So now let's do something like this, guys. Okay, so as we are in 15 minutes, the next thing which you like to do, guys, is now to delete this base area here, and now we are now highlighting the swing high and the swing the swing low, as you can see, something like this. So once you do something like this, right, you are now focusing on the last base area, which will break the swing the swing high, right, the swing low, sorry, the swing low, this swing low. So as you can see, the price came back and picked the orders around this zone and shifted the market, but fails to go and break this swing high, and then the price can give us a pullback, coming back to the swing low and finally taking it out. And now you can see, guys, the base area, as we can see, guys, we had a base area around this zone, right? And this base area was responsible for breaking this swing low. So now the next thing which you like to do is to highlight your swing high of the candlestick and the swing low. So once you do this, this will now help you to understand that the price have created what we call a drop base drop, right? And if we go to H4 time frame, let's see. Oh, there was no opposite candlestick though, but we're gonna show you some of the example with opposite candlestick, which will help you to understand that this is a this is a base area. So we had a drop base drop right there, right? We had a drop base drop, and we're expecting the price to come and pick the orders. Why? Because if price give us a drop base drop, we expect the price to give us a pullback with a correction, and then they'll pick the orders and shift the market, give us a change of character, and then they'll continue going down, meaning we'll only look for trades around this zone area. And also at this right side, we only look for entries around this zone area right there, because the price will come and mitigate the OB, which was responsible for breaking the structure. So meaning while the price is going down, this will now become our base area. So now as you can see, we had a drop base drop, meaning we're expecting something at this zone area. So the price didn't give us that. The price continued going down. As you can see, guys, the price continued going down. And the next thing which you like to do is to understand that you have to be patient and also highlight your swing your swing lows. So meaning you highlight your higher lows like this. As you can see, we had a higher low right there, and also this was the last higher low which was created by the price, right? And you can see, guys, the price now finally came back, giving us that correction which we're expecting, meaning we had that compression or correction which we're expecting right there, right? So the price came back and picked the orders and shifted the market going down. So the next thing which you have to understand is your it's your break of structure, and then change of character right there. So you're now focusing on your on your change of character, and you can see, guys, there was no opposite candlestick, and also this opposite candlestick was created after the break of the break of structure. So we're going to wait for our entry at this zone area. And if you watched our last video, we also shared a setup while we were going to finish our video. We said we'd like to see price coming back to this zone and shift the market going down. So if you see that the price will not come back, the next thing which you you want to see or to understand is that the price will always come back to those zones. So you just have to be patient, and if you do not see any trade that day, you just have to be patient and let the price run, and it will show you what it wants. So once you see price doing that, you wait for the price to come back, and you can see, guys, the price did come back. You can see the price came back and picked the orders and shift the market. But before we go in further, let us show you the trade which we took there. So guys, if you have not yet joined our Telegram group, find the link below description. And also, if you join our Telegram group, you see it's Boske's FX Forex group, and you will see at the description it's official Telegram group of Boske's FX. So you don't have to look for other groups, because there are a lot of groups here in Telegram which are scamming people, saying that it's Boske's. So as you can see, guys, this is our trade which we took there on your state, you can see, and this is our entry point. And let us show you some of the trades which we took. As you can see, AD and ZD, we're looking for shorts around this zone, and this was the signal and the trade right there, as you can see. And also this was US data again, we took another entry right there, and this was the signal, and this was the trade right there. And these are the sum of the trades which we took over the week, and this was the setup. We're looking for the price to come at this 411.514 to come and tap in and then shift the market going down. And you can see, guys, what the price just came and do. They just came back and tapped in and shifted the market going down before they go into to the bigger OB. But if you go and check out how it plays out, you can go and see. And this is pound USD dollar, and this was the buy entry which we're looking for, signal which we send in VIP. This is the trade, some of the trades here, guys. NZD USD there, they set up before it happened. And guys, this was after, and also this was after for GU, and this was US30, another trade which we took, signal and the trade. And this was the feedbacks which we are getting from you guys. Here is Nasdaq trade, and also this US30, and this was the feedback. So guys, now let's go back to chart. So guys, as you can see now, the price is starting to go down, and if you wanted to see a change of character, this was a mini breakout structure right there, right? Breakout structure, sorry about that. And change of character, the last opposite candlestick was this one, guys. As you can see, they even failed to break it up there, so they just came and tapped in, picked the order, shifted the market going down. So now the price continued going down, as you can see, and we had a drop, base, drop. So most of you say, how do you able to identify drop, base, drop? As you can see, guys, at this base area, the price have created a huge reversal. And if you go to H4 time frame, guys, let us show you. Okay, so we are talking about this zone area here. So if you go to H4 time frame, you'll find out this is a drop, base, drop right there. So if you go to 15 minutes chart, it will be like this, guys. It will be like this, drop, base, drop. So the next thing which you like to do is to highlight your last higher low, and you can see this was our last higher low right there while the price was going up, and they failed to continue going up, and then they came back taking out the first higher low, creating a new lower low. And you can see guys, this opposite candlestick right here was created after the breakout structure. So we do not consider it as a base area, but rather we consider this one as our base area or order block zone area. So that's where you want to see the price coming back and pick the orders and then continue going down. So next thing which you have to understand, you only wait for the price to give you or to show you what it wants. So you see the price came back and took out this previous swing low, creating a new lower low right there, and also the price have came back again to the base area right now, and then they picked the orders and shifted the market going down. But you can also see that guys, we had a breakout structure right there, and also we had this change of character right there guys, as you can see. And then the price didn't come back, right? The price didn't come back. So now if we can highlight this as our base area right there, like to see price coming and respecting it. And you can see guys, the price sorry about that, the price went down, but let us see if they take out, yeah, they did give you those breakout structures. As you can see guys, this was the first breakout structure which was created, and you can even see that we had a change of character. We had a breakout structure at the top right there, and then change of character down. If there's no opposite candlestick, you normally use the first candlestick in 15 minutes time frame right there. As you can see, the price, that's where they came and shifted the market going down. And also guys, you can even see that the price have also give us breakout structure pullback. You always use the first candlestick, whereby the price will turn going to the opposite direction. As you can see, they're going down, so we use this first candlestick, and that's where they came and shifted the market going down. So now the price came back but fails to go and break this demand zone, and you can see where a order block right there, right? And that's where the price came and rejected. So now it's for you to understand your H4 time frame, like what we said. Now let's delete everything and keep our chart clean. As you can see now guys, once you come back to your H4 time frame, right? Once you come back to your H4 time frame, you understand that you only wait for the price to give you what it wants. And you can see here, this was the breakout structure which we saw in a bigger time frame. And if we go to your left side now, right, you understand you had a breakout structure around this zone area here, and the price never came back to this zone. And you can say this was your demand zone. But though the price failed to come in, meaning the price is still going down. And you can also see in daily time frame, if we go back, we will understand that this is a breakout structure, and this was the candlestick which broke the structure here. And if we do our premium and discount, mark the high and the low, you can see that the price came back there, because this base area was created after the break of the structure. So sometimes it will not hold, meaning the price may also come in deeper here, but you can see they failed to break it and they rejected. Meaning if you find a change of character, that's when you take a trade. You just have to wait for the price to give you a change of character. As you can see, this is a last higher low, and you can see at the top here with the break of break of structure. So the next thing which you like to see is to see price giving you a break of structure and then pull back, continue going down, something like this. So that's what you wait for. So you just have to wait for that, knowing that the price may also break this swing lower high, but they did respect it. So you just have to be careful. If price come and give you a change of character, that's when you get a clear confirmation of that the price is still going down. So you just have to backtest this strategy, guys, and also just be patient when you are taking your trades. If price do not come the same day, wait tomorrow, and then if they come tomorrow, take your entry, and then you'll be profitable trader at the end of the day. Don't just find your account, and if you find, you start trading everything. I hope this video will help you, and also don't forget to join our Telegram group for free signals and free setup. You have a blessed day. Thank you.